This potential supermassive black hole, weighing as much as 20 million suns, has left behind a never-before-seen 200,000 light-year-long trail of newborn stars.
What exactly did astronomers recently see in space? Apparently, they saw something in space that they are struggling to make sense of, calling it a cosmic oddity. Given the relatively short history of space exploration, one would think that there would be countless cosmic oddities. Apparently not so much. This latest sighting, however, is causing a division in the field of astronomy as the experts grapple with the possibilities of what they are actually witnessing. Apparently, astronomers say they found a supermassive black hole sprinting 4 million miles per hour away from its original galaxy. According to AOL.com, the Astrophysical Journal Letters published a paper on a Hubble Space Telescope observation that described a bonkers scenario: a gigantic black hole traveling so fast it wasn't gobbling up stars and planets so much as it was lighting up space with a shimmery trail stretching 200,000 light years behind it. An astronomy professor at Yale University thought as the black hole plowed through an enormous cloud of gas, it must have been igniting new stars. NASA helped spread the word of the team's weird and seemingly unprecedented finding. Like the wake behind a ship, we're seeing the wake behind the black hole. Yes, whatever this is, it seems to be producing new stars. Other astronomers refused to accept this suggestion of a trail behind the black hole, asking, what if that trail is just a galaxy and we're just seeing it from the other side rather than face on? Either way, the sight eludes exactitude, but I'm sure that eventually someone will come up with a believable explanation for this cosmic oddity, as if he or she is standing right next to the black hole interviewing it, considering its actions. Kinda like when the narrator of one of those highly speculative archaeological documentaries start off by saying 25 billion years ago, as if they were there. Of course, you must follow it up with the phrase, based on the evidence. I don't think that humanity, seeing such an event at this point in its existence, is fortuitous. This gigantic space monster, which is twice the size of the Milky Way, is a sobering reminder to mankind of its fallibility and frailty. We are but a cosmic speck in the grand scheme of things. The sun, moon and stars, the entirety of all the celestial bodies are testaments of the Creator of all things. Psalms 19:1 says, "The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament showeth his handiwork." But this latest cosmic oddity should have us thinking a little bit deeper. The Bible is very explicit concerning signs that will occur in the last days, specifically amongst the celestial bodies. Luke 21:25 and 26, "And there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring, men's heart failing them for fear, and for looking after those things which are coming on the earth, for the powers of the heaven shall be shaken." The distress of nations is obvious. Now it's time to examine what we're seeing above our heads. The masses will never know if there is a catastrophic space event threatening our planet, since the powers that be will conceal it for public safety. But things like this cosmic occurrence should make us think. Stars are being gobbled up, but not as fast as it is seemingly producing new ones. The light of these stars are being consumed by this gigantic hole. The Bible tells us what we will see in the last days in the book of Joel 3:15. "The sun and the moon shall be darkened, and the stars shall withdraw their shining." While this cosmic oddity is said to be too far away to be any threat to us, our planet is still situated in space. Our galaxy, or any other galaxy, is not exempt from such possibilities. We are going to see many more signs in the stars and moon warning us of things to come. We need to open our eyes to see them for what they truly are: warning signs. The stars will go dark. The moon and the sun will cease to give its light. Is this not enough of a sign? One day in the near future, Hubble will see a similar looking oddity in space that it will struggle to make sense of. We that know what is to come will know exactly what that is. It was seen by Ezekiel and quoted by Jude 1:14 and 15. "And Enoch also, the seventh from Adam, prophesied of these, saying, Behold, the Lord cometh with 10,000s of his saints, to execute judgment upon all, and to convince all that are ungodly among them of all their ungodly deeds which they have ungodly committed, and of all their hard speeches which ungodly sinners have spoken against him. Everything before him will be consumed, for the Lord is an all-consuming fire. His train will be the bright shining of his saints that are with him. Now that is a cosmic oddity. Now think about that.
I'm wading through this water, Lord, for better or for worse. In all my ways, I'm putting Jesus first. With love in every line, in every song, in every verse.